Hi Wayne, I just wanted to say you did really excellent on your test. I just want to go over the radicals for you because I could see that got you very frustrated, and you know how to do this. It's just sometimes we file away something, you know, and we sort of forget it, but you know how to do the radicals. All right, so remember that, let me give you a for instance first. If I have, hold on, let me fix my pen. If I have 3x plus, I know this isn't radicals yet, just give me a minute, I'll get there. Minus 2y plus 8x. Okay, so if I put this expression up, I know, and I want to just combine like terms, this would end up being, right, I would add this with this is 11x, and I would add this with this is 3y. So this expression, if I combine like terms, would become this. Okay. It's the same thing with radicals. So if I have I'll get to what it looked like, the issue you were having. I just want to build up to it because if you understand the foundation, it's going to be obvious to you what it is. Okay, so now here I have this plus this would be, I now have 11 radical x's, and this minus this is, I have 3 radical y's. Okay. And if I have, let me just change it, and instead of using x's, let me use a's just so you can see the difference. If I have radical a plus radical a now, that would mean that I have one of these plus one of these, right? So I have 1 apple plus 1 apple, so I have 2 apples. So 1 radical a plus 1 radical a is 2 radical a's. Likewise, if I have a plus 5 plus radical a plus 5, that means that I have one of these types plus one of these types, which would be 2 of these types. Okay? And then it doesn't matter if that issue is on the bottom. So let's say I have a fraction. I'll go back to x now. I just don't want, sometimes people get stuck with the x's. So now, it doesn't matter now if it's in the denominator, you're adding something in the denominator. If you have the same thing, if you have 1 apple plus 1 apple, then you have 2 apples. All right, you're just adding that. So that was where the issue came in. You weren't quite sure, but these are like terms, so that means you can add to this. You did an excellent job on that problem. You should be really proud of yourself, okay? You really knew what you were doing, and I could see it. All right, I hope this helped. I'll catch you. Bye-bye.